What really happens when a cobra bites you? You see it in movies, but the reality is far more intense and terrifying. Imagine this. You're hiking. You hear a hiss, and then a sharp pain. Cobra has just struck. What happens next could be the difference between life and death. Before we dive into the venomous details, make sure you hit that subscribe button before this snake strikes again. So, the fangs are in. What's in that venom? Cobra venom is a potent neurotoxin. Think of it as a master key that unlocks all the wrong doors in your nervous system. It doesn't destroy tissue like some other snake venoms. Instead, it goes straight for the command center, your nerves. The venom molecules travel through your bloodstream and bind to the receptors on your muscles. This blocks the signals from your brain that tell your muscles to move. Within minutes, you'll start to feel the effects. First, you might notice drooping eyelids, a condition called ptosis. Then, your speech starts to slur. Swallowing becomes difficult, and you might begin to drool. It's a progressive paralysis creeping through your body. The real danger, however, is when it reaches your diaphragm. The diaphragm is the primary muscle responsible for breathing. When the venom paralyzes it, your lungs can no longer draw in air. You're fully conscious, but you can't breathe. Without immediate medical intervention, respiratory failure is inevitable, and it can happen in as little as 30 minutes. So, what can you do? Forget everything you've seen in old survival shows. Sucking out the venom, useless. Applying a tourniquet can actually cause more harm by concentrating the venom and damaging the limb. The one and only effective treatment is antivenom. Antivenom is made by immunizing animals like horses with small, non-lethal doses of venom. Their bodies produce antibodies, which are then harvested and purified to create the life-saving serum. When injected into a bite victim, these antibodies neutralize the venom molecules, stopping the paralysis in its tracks. But time is absolutely critical. The faster you get to a hospital and receive antivenom, the better your chances of survival. Every second counts. A single bite from a cobra has the power to silence your breath forever. It's a chilling reminder of nature's potent chemistry. If you found this dive into survival science fascinating, show us some love by hitting that like button and subscribing for more. Stay curious, stay safe, and thanks for watching.